Good morning, students. Welcome back to virtual class of business studies. So today we are going to continue the same chapters, next topic. So we have started already chapter number 6, social responsibilities and business ethics. As yesterday we have done the introduction, concept, need of social responsibility and arguments for social responsibility. Today we are going to start with topic arguments against social responsibility. Why certain are having positive aspects also, as yesterday we have done. So today we are going to start against why some certain business houses are against this social responsibility. So first is violation of profit maximization objective, second burden on consumers, third lack of social skills, fourth lack of broad public support. So these are the four arguments against the social responsibility. The question can be like draft or comment or narrate arguments for and arguments against. And long, it's a long question for 6 marks or either can be for 5 marks. Points will be mentioned. You can if points are not mentioned, you can just for long it was the 5 to 6 were there. That means it will be arguments against. It's for 4 or it can be 4 or it can be either into 4 mark question. It can be 2 marks for against and 2 marks for. Okay. So first, violation of profit maximization of objective. So it's a word here is that violation of profit maximization. What does it mean? That when company is enjoying its profit, earning its profit, obviously they have to go for that social responsibility. So they are against that some violation is there that whatever the company earns, they have to go for the social responsibility. They have to fulfill the needs of the social responsibility. So profit maximization is the main objective of every business organization. So it aims to use all its resources in the most efficient and effective manner so that it can minimize its cost and earn maximum profit. So okay, minimize कर दिया तो profit नो ठीक है, अभी cost को minimize कर दिया, resources नो effectively efficiently use कर दिया, ठीक है. So additional burden of social responsibilities will involve additional cost. Quite obviously, if they are doing any social responsibility, that will add to their cost. So which will directly affect the cost of product and eventually the profit. And if it affects the cost of the product, then directly it will affect the profit also. So thus, a business which uses the resources optimally, follows fair trade practices and provides good quality products at reasonable prices is automatically fulfilling its social responsibility. So this way they are already, if they are doing these things, they are socially fulfilling their social responsibility, and the impact is on the whatever the burden have been imposed on the production also. Production de utte cost बढ़ गई तो obviously profit de utte affect होगा. Clear? This was a violation of profit maximization objective. Next comes burden on consumers. Quite obvious. Whatever the prices are being changed, whatever the prices hike are there, or it will directly impact on the consumers. Okay? And consumers, why they are not bothering? Because they are in a good brand image of that particular company in their mind. So performing social responsibility involves financial investments. No business will bear the burden of increased expenses. To maintain their profit margin, they will shift the additional cost burden directly to consumers in the form of higher prices. So कियो आप higher prices increase हो कर देंगे, burden की थे ultimately consumers पे आ गया, ठीक है? So while the business gets recognition and better image while performing social responsibilities, so social responsibility दिखाते हुए कंपनी ने अभी बहुत बढ़िया इमेज बना ली होंगी है, माइंड सेटअप कर देता होगा कंज्यूमर का. So the consumers pay the price. So ultimately consumer pay the price because they are getting whatever they want of good quality, whatever the price it may be, but they are getting the product what they have in mind. Thus, it is unfair to tax consumers in the name of social responsibility. So this is very unfair. You have increased the price, but you are getting the product, but this is unfair to consumer. Ultimately, the burden is on the consumers. Clear? Is it clear this point? Because in today's scenario, customer is the king of the market. So today's market is having a customer-oriented market, not the product-oriented market. पहला क्यों ना product-oriented market? तो see, whatever the production house has made up, they have to. Consumers have to buy it. Now, consumers demand what they want. Clear? If you go with the third, lack of social skills. Social skills नहीं होते. Social activities में solve नहीं कर सकते. They are not expert. Although they are having the money, they can handle, they can give up, but they can't solve the social activities. So, all business problems are usually solved with the sole aim of cost minimizing and profit maximization. Whereas social problems may not be solved with financial models. पैसे देने नाल social problems नहीं solve हो सकती हैं, ठीक है? To solve social problem, one needs clear understanding of the problems and needs of the community. So एक तो जिन्हों problem of community की need और the proper depth ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ knowledge होगी भी how to handle this. Counselor रखो, चंगे counselor रखो so that they can solve it. Counselor रखे होंगे business ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੋੜ है, production house एक company है कि food production ना रही, उनको की लोड़ है counselor ਦੀ society वास्ते. But nowadays this has been scenario has been changed. They are giving these facilities. We will later on we will discuss further. Business enterprises, due to lack of expertise, may not understand the real cause and effect of social problem. So, उन्होंने ना cause के effect नहीं पता है कि है cause and effect of the whatever the social activities has been happened. ठीक है? कोई जिਵੇਂ देखो कोई कईयां दे family problem आ जाती है, issues disputes होंदे हैं, they can't handle it because they are not very much in touch with that employee. तो सीधा काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, आपने मोड़ मिल चुका जा भी हो जा, ठीक है, so that उन्होंने देखा एक सोचने दे what happened actually to that lady or to that person, male candidate like this. This would it would be better if social problems are addressed by specialized agencies. So campaigns ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ कुछ specific problems आ रही हैं है ना, कोई भी activities है ਜਿਹੜੀ social activities हो रही हैं है ना, so कि special agencies ਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਣ ਉਹੀ handle ਕਰ ਸਕਣ rather than business houses. ठीक है. Next, lack of broad public support. हाँ जी, ध्यान ना सुनिए बोलता हूँ. A business organization is always seen as a profit-making enterprise. आप हमेशा देखिए कि जो business house है वो profit-making enterprise है, ठीक है. Public in general feels that whatever business enterprise will do will involve their financial benefit. अपने दिमाग में सेट आप एक कंपनियां काम कर रही है, but there is something fishy in this. They have their own motive. They want money from the public, whatever they have in their mind. ठीक है. Therefore, they may not like business involvement or interference, nor may not have confidence that business enterprise will solve social problems in the public interest. So, these 2 points are interrelated. कि कहते अपन होंदा कि हाँ जी एक कोई solve कर रही है, ज़्यादा involvement का तो show कर रही है, कोई ਇਹਦਾ मकसद है company का, so that consumers ਨੂੰ attract कर सके, customers ਨੂੰ attract कर सके, और society ਨੂੰ attract कर सके. So lack of public confidence and cooperation. Confidence and cooperation. Confidence नहीं होता एक लोगों ਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਦੂਜੀ cooperation cooperate नहीं करते ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ. May create hindrances रुकावटां while performing social responsibility. So कई बार companies बहुत बढ़िया companies भी हैं कि वो they want to do very good things for the public, but later on when public is having lack of interest in them, they are unable to solve because there is a lack of cooperation among the society, lack of confidence among the society. So these are the 4 arguments: violation of profit, maximization objective, burden on consumers that whatever the price profit they have to distribute and all this, lack of social skills, they don't have special experts to handle the social activities, lack of broad. Students, today, so next topic we are going to start reality of social responsibility, which is not given in your book. So this comes from another book. So what is the reality of social responsibility? How the impact it is there? Okay? So today the customer not only expects a good quality product at reasonable price, but also demands responsible conduct from business. So we are not that business house is not meant for that whatever we are production the consumer wants it and we just sell in the market. But what we want that what social responsibility is it showing. So there is a reality like I will just not give you 2 examples that Tata is investing in the field of medicine. Wipro and HCL have established education institutions. These 3 companies are doing their reality work of the social responsibility work towards for the society. Like Tata, they are having the medicine, and that Wipro and HCL in education setup. They have set up their various colleges, institutions, and they are providing knowledge, education to the poor kids, having set up in rural areas. In the backward areas, they have set up their education institution so that they can gain knowledge from there. Okay, so these were the reality things, but certain points are there: threat of public regulation, pressure of labor movement, impact of consumer consciousness, development of social standard for business, development of business education, relationship between social interest and business interest, and the last, development of professional or managerial class. So first we are going to start threat of public regulation. So many business enterprises are forced to consider their social responsibility mainly because of public regulation. Public regulation करके वो अपनी social responsibilities करते हैं. In order to take care of all sections of society, the government makes sure that enterprise operate in socially responsible manner and take appropriate action in case is there any activity against the public interest. So government he on the enterprises no कहती है कि you just start up your social responsibility towards that so that they can't affect कोई इतना ना कोई पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट के अगेंस्ट कोई पब्लिक के फेवर अगेंस्ट कुछ चल रहा हो स्टॉप इट हो जाए ठीक है बंद हो जाए काम सो दैट दे हैव प्रॉपर लिंकेज विद दैट कि सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो कर रही है कोई अगेंस्ट तो नहीं उन्होंने पब्लिक के कुछ कर रही कोई गलत जिमें कोई ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟਸ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੀ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਸੇਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਖਾਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਲਿਕਵਿਡਸ ਦੀ ਸੇਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਕੰਜ਼ੰਪਸ਼ਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇਟ ਸ਼ੁੱਡ ਬੀ ਬੈਨ ਦਿਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਗਵਰਨਮੈਂਟ ਇਨੀਸ਼ੀਏਟਿਵ ਲੈਂਦੀ ਕਿ stop this sort of work next pressure of labor movement so labor movement ਦਾ ਵੀ ਕਿਹਦਾ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਕਿਦਾਂ workers of today are not illiterate ਠੀਕ ਹੈ they are literate they are educated organized and aware of the labor laws ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ in addition there is a tremendous opportunities available to workers across the globe across the world they can go anywhere else if they are talented they will have the work to have a stable workforce it is important for business enterprise to take care towards welfare for the worker so if they are stable workforce so that if they want that enterprise want that I want this worker for throughout my life whenever I will just retire him at the age of above 50 so they have to take care of that employee so due to presence of labor laws business enterprise can no more treat workers at their will or follow hire and fire policy they can't follow hire and fire policy because they have to have the keen interest they have to check out the whatever they are doing सही कर रहे हो काम उन्हें चेक करो वैल्यूएट करो ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड करो उन्हें फायर नहीं कर सकते काम दे उत्तों ठीक है लाइक इन दिस पीरियड ऑफ लॉकडाउन गवर्नमेंट हैज मेड सर्टेन रूल्स कि यू एम्प्लॉइज विल गेट द सैलरी एज दे आर वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम ठीक है यू कांट expel out the employee from your job from your this organization okay so this is pressure of labor movement because in today's scenario workers are well educated they are arranged they are managed people ठीक है next comes impact of consumer consciousness so consumer भी बहुत conscious हो गया I already told you in arguments against which he earlier we were having approach product oriented approach but now we are going with consumer oriented approach in which consumer is the king of the market according to the needs and the wants of the consumer production has been set up ठीक है so with increased awareness and exposure customers are conscious of their rights and powers in determining marketing costs so fund up that consumer protection act their consumer rights are there hopefully you have done in your 10th standard in economics है ना so consumer rights are right to education right to safety right to redressal seek है ना so various rights 6 rights are there increased competition has made the customer the king okay customer king बन चुके हैं so certain houses will have will listen the consumer then they have the production so business enterprise have started following customer oriented policies so that they can meet customers demands and remain successful so उन्होंने customer oriented approaches start करते हैं what did they say is that कि okay consumer ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ demands ਨੂੰ fulfill ਕਰ ਸਕਣ so that ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪ ਦੀ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ growth ਤੇ survival ਤੇ successful enterprise ਬਣੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ next development of social standard for business the well informed society and government efforts to maintain social standards have changed the business from just a money minting organization to a legitimate economic activity कि कली पैसा नहीं कमाना इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने बट उन्हें इकोनॉमी ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਵਧਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਕੰਟਰੀ ਦੀ ਇਕਨੋਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਵਧਾ ਕੇ ਵਧਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਸੈਟਲ ਅਪ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ अर्लियर they what they were बस पैसा कमाओ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ਅਸੀਂ whatever they are running the profit they will just have it in their pockets but now they have to take care of the economy of the country if the economy is good then the organization will have its existence otherwise they have to shut down their business so today business enterprises may have prime aim to earn profits but they also must serve to social needs ठीक है प्रॉफिट कमाना है बट उन्होंने सोशल नीड्स में भी ध्यान कर दिया कहते हैं कंज्यूमर्स ध्यान business is a part of the society as I told you without society business doesn't exist so it can't exist in a vacuum and can grow if and only if society permits so कितना business grow करूँगा जब society accept करना start करूँगी कि हाँ जी this enterprise is good the products of this enterprise is good they are doing social responsibility towards the society when there is any need okay so next comes development of business education this is mandatory so business education structure of today concentrates on creating awareness about the social responsibilities as we have done the social responsibility of business towards different interest groups in the next lecture As a result, each stakeholder, may it be an investor or consumer or employee or owner, has become more sensitive towards the social issues. जो भी social issues चल रहे हैं, उनके वास्ते के लोग, the people are more aware of it. Next, relationship between social interest and business interest. So, what is the social interest of business and what is the business interest of a business? So, business interest is earning profit, social interest do the welfare of the society. On one hand, business enterprises provide all the required goods and services a society needs, and on the other hand, a business can survive for long only if society accepts the enterprise. So, कितना accept society accept करोगी business house नु, they will have the long term survival. Thus, the business interests and the social interests are complementary to each other. So, they both are complementary to each other. If social interest is there, then business interest is there. If business interest is there, then obviously social interest is there. Therefore, it is a must that a business plans to grow while serving the society instead of exploiting it. So, business ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ plan ਇਹ ਤੇ set up ਕਰੇ ਕਿ society ਦੇ favor ਚ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੇ, society ਵਾਸਤੇ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? So that they can expand their plans rather than exploiting society, then the business will going to shut down. ठीक है? कोई exploit कर रहे society ਨੂੰ, then the society is not going to accept that business house. Last, development of professional managerial class. So nowadays, business enterprises are managed by professionals who are trained by the management institution like MBAs, BBAs, all these. They have a different attitude towards social responsibilities as compared to the earlier owner managers. They have management education they are having, so they have they've changed their attitude towards all this all the elements of business. So the professional managers work towards satisfaction of multiplicity of interested groups in society, so that their enterprise can run successfully. So they satisfy all those things, all the members, so that their business can run for a long period. So this is the reality of social responsibilities. 7 points are there. This question is also very important in a norm. So this is our topic for today. Thank you so much.